Today is Saturday, January 9th, and this is the Gibson SG that supposedly was destroyed, unplayable. When I got it back, definitely needed some adjustment. I'm no tech, but I just adjusted it. I just lowered the pickup back to where it was when it was sent, and that's about it. But I just want to prove that it's playable. So let's see if I can set this over here. I just want to show that it's playable. Generally, if you have a problem, it's going to fret out way up here. So I'll just play all the way up the neck. See, all the pickups work, so I mean every setting works. So all the guy did was he messed with it, and then he decided he didn't want to pay for the guitar, so he just messed with it, said it was broken, but obviously it's not broken, so this is just proof that it's not.